Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Still on track to reach that green target area that I mentioned in the previous video. But let's first of all recap where we come from. Ethereum is generally one of the stronger looking coins, really strong, yeah, especially compared to Bitcoin, many others. Yeah, most of them aren't that strong. Ethereum, in my opinion, created an impulsive wave 1 here, all the way up to 1280, came down in a wave 2 to $1,000, then reached the wave 3 target, that was the 1.618 Fibonacci extension, came 4 into the reversal area that I did define up here, to reverse in a wave 4. These reversal areas are areas where sometimes I invest or buy. They are the areas where I expect a reversal, you know. We then had another reversal area here in this wave 4 that was triggered and reached, and then I've been telling you since yesterday that we are expecting a move to the downside now at some point, because it can't carry on like that. There needs to be a wave 2, and what I told you in the previous video is still on track. People were already panicking a little bit because we were not yet, we did not reach the target here. So what did I tell you in the previous video? I told you we broke below this ascending trend line, yeah. We could, depending on which wave count it is, because there are two options here. One option is that, you know, you see this wave count in blue, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We have to have 5 waves in this impulsive wave structure. The first view is, and that is my primary expectation, but they are both close together, to be honest. Primary expectation is that we are not yet finished with this wave 5, that what we have seen here, this impulse in itself was only the first wave of the wave 5, and that we're now coming down in this wave 2. So I have labeled this first impulse of the wave 5 in white. We have completed here a 5-wave move of the first wave, of the 5th wave. Therefore, I told you be on high alert for a move down, which happened. In the previous video, I defined for you a target area, this one here, between 1520 and 1620. This is based on the Fibonacci retracements, based on the 38.2% Fib level and the 61.8, which is just for a wave 2, the most likely scenario. Surely, we could bounce off the 23.6% Fib level, which is here, but it's just less likely. Of course, it can happen, guys. Of course. You know, I don't have the crystal ball, and nobody really knows. But then again, what would be a good indication that this wave 2 is already over? It would be a break above the $1,784 level. Okay. However, do I believe it's over yet? No. And I always know what people are thinking when, you know, I've recorded this video somewhere here at 1700, I believe. And then we were coming down 1690 and so on. I uploaded 1680, 1670. People watch the video and you suddenly see this green candle. And people were already like, oh no, it's over, you know, we already were at 1740. But we never broke above this trend line again, substantially. So bearish reaction here, strong rejection up here, and we didn't even make a higher high. We actually made lower highs throughout, indicating we are definitely not yet back in an uptrend. This would only be confirmed as soon as we make it above the wave 1 high. So for now, this scenario is still absolutely at play. Just have a bit of patience, have a bit of trust. Of course, I'm not claiming this is definitely going to happen, because what is this area? It is just the retracement area with the highest likelihood, based on two things. One is the assumption that the wave count here is correct, and it could be wrong. Could be wrong, yeah. Or the other assumption is that we go into the region with the highest likelihood. Now, the 23.6% Fib level is also a retracement level. Yeah, it's just not very likely that the wave 2 is going to stop there. So therefore, always be on the lookout. And again, good indication that wave 2 would be finished is a breakout above 1784. But this is so far the primary expectation. I would primarily expect a further move down. The lower level wave count also does suggest further sell-off. Yeah, my opinion here is that we have seen here a W, an X, and the Y, and that in this Y wave we have seen the wave A, here the wave A, the wave B, and the wave C is probably incoming now. ideal target would be somewhere around 1620, okay? So this is not yet over, in my opinion. It will be over if we get back above 1784. Then we go up higher in a wave 3. So this is one scenario. The other scenario is, and it doesn't look like that, I can tell you that, it doesn't look like that. The other scenario is that this here was the completed wave 5. If this is the completed wave 5, then we're going to head into this target area, because we are going to correct this entire move, yeah, that started at 880. Gonna reverse down and go with the highest likelihood in this area between 1440 and 1280. This would then be a larger degree, wave 2, and we would correct this entire move, and that would be another good entry point. And that's currently my view about Ethereum. So hopefully you like, and by the way, when we finish this overall, either here or here, yeah, let's talk about this the first scenario, because I think this is more likely. When we finish this small correction, we should move higher, and I think we are gonna look at the $2,000 level here, maybe even more. Okay, but that's my view about Ethereum. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.